What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel Sense Friend. So today I have a Bluetooth neckband earphone and the brand name is P-Tron. So the name is Tangent Plus Hi-Fi Stereo Sound Wireless Neckband. So I bought it from Amazon.in and the price was at that time 799 rupees. It's an after use review. So it's been 2 months I'm using this neckband, Bluetooth neckband, and this is working fine till now. So let's talk about some features of this Bluetooth earphone. And they have mentioned the price 3,499 rupees, and I got it for 799 rupees. It's a Chinese company. Performance is very good. So it's made in China. And let me open this. What other things I have? Let me check. Packing was not that much good. Very low quality plastic they have used, but that's okay. If the product is good, there will be no problem. So this is the manual. I got this. I don't know why. I don't know the use of this. So just leave it for now. And I got extra earbuds. So let's talk about a few features or specifications of this product. Connectivity advanced wireless. Okay. Transmission range 10 meters. Yeah, that's correct. Speaker driver 10 mm dynamic. Okay. Frequency response. Impedance. Music time about 15 hours, and that's right. Battery backup is very good. Talk time about 10 hours. So talk time about 10 hours means if you are talking continuously over the phone for 10 hours, this will work. Battery will not be exhausted in less than 10 hours. After 10 hours, it will be exhausted if you regularly talk over the phone. And music time about 15 hours. You can listen to music continuously for 15 hours and the battery will not be exhausted. And believe me, battery of this product is very good. I have used it. I'm really happy about it. And battery capacity 250 mAh. Charging time 2 hours. Yeah, that is correct. Standby time 200 hours. Standby time means if you are not using your phone, not taking calls, not listening to music, not checking any videos on YouTube. Hi-Fi stereo audio. If I talk about audio quality of this product, it's average. You cannot say hi-fi. So it's average. Average means it gives good sound quality. Not very good, not hi-fi. It has a wireless technology. Bluetooth means wireless. And hands-free call. If you are getting an incoming call, so you can use your Bluetooth earphone to pick the call. You don't have to touch the phone. Ergonomic design. Okay. Magnetic locking earbuds. So they are talking about this. So it's magnetic. Lightweight. That's correct. And TF card reader slot. So it has a very good feature. If you are a music lover, so you can put memory card in it, so you can listen to songs without connecting to the phone. So it's a new feature. I think I haven't used it yet, but it's a good feature. I don't listen to music that much, so I did not need that. And it's a charging slot, and they have given 1 year warranty, and the color is dark blue. With the help of this button, you can turn on this Bluetooth earphone. So let me turn it on. I have turned it on, and you can see the flashlight over here, red and blue. So it's not connected yet. It is searching for Bluetooth. So if I turn it off, it will show red button over here. You have to press for a few seconds, 2 or 3 seconds. Let me show you. So it's turned off now. And let me turn it on again. Blue light is on. So it is blinking now, so it's turned on. it is not connected yet. So there are other functions as well, like this minus button. While talking over the phone, you can decrease the volume by pressing this, like this. With the help of plus sign, you can increase the volume. Same can be used while watching YouTube videos or listening to music, so you can decrease or increase the volume. Design is good, I liked it. There's no problem. In 799 rupees, you'll get this much of quality, so it's good. Color is also good, blue, and the neckband is black. So this part includes battery as well for charging this earphone from this slot. So this has battery part and all the functions are here. So it's flexible also, you can see. Quality is good. Under this price, quality is good, I would say. I have found no problems. It's a good thing. It saves your time. You can pick the call from this button and you can disconnect the call from this button. So it's a time saver, I would say. So let me show you how it works practically. So let me connect this to my MI A1 smartphone. So let me turn it on. And now let me turn this button on. It's on now. It will connect very fast. As you can see, it's connected. It's connected and it is showing 40% of battery. So last time I have charged this Bluetooth earphone 3 days back. So the battery backup is very good. And there's one more feature, a hidden feature, and which was not mentioned on the box. So let me tell you that it's the extra button, this one. Let me show you how it works now. So you need to turn on your camera, phone camera. So you don't need to click this button to capture the picture. So just press this button and picture will be clicked. As you can see, it has been clicked now. So let me show you the image. It works on selfie mode as well. So this is a good feature of this Bluetooth earphone. Just have to hold the phone and turn on the camera app and just press button from your Bluetooth earphone and picture will be clicked like this. This is the feature what I like in this earphone. Bluetooth earphone is connected with smartphone. So let's check the mic quality. As I'm speaking with this Bluetooth earphone mic. So if your budget is 700 to 800 rupees, so you can go for this Featron Bluetooth neckband earphone. And I already told you that sound quality is not that much good. If you wanna buy the same product, I will add a best buy link in the description box for this product. So if you wanna buy the same product, you can buy it from there. Okay friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Hit like if you like this video and subscribe if you are new. See you in the next one. Bye bye.